Moving on to the turn signal, I had noticed it blink on once or twice while test riding, but most of the time it wasn't working. It felt a bit loose, and if I pressed on it, it would come on, so it seemed to be just a matter of a poor ground, and hopefully tightening it up would do the trick. I just had to figure out how to do that, so it was off with the lens to investigate. What I found was an offset straight slot inside the handlebar behind the light socket. This was tightened, and after that, the signal worked.